कमज़ोरों पर ताकत आजमाना कमज़ोरों की ताकत है। ये मेरे दद्दा की तलवार सिर्फ फिरंगियों की गर्दनों के लिए है, सिर्फ फिरंगियों की गर्दनों के लिए।
ये मेरे दद्दा की तलवार सिर्फ फिरंगियों की गर्दनों के लिए है।
Hi, this is Salman Khan and you're watching Bollywood Hungama.
हजारों साल नरगिस अपनी बेनूरी पे रोती है, हजारों साल नरगिस अपनी बेनूरी पे रोती है, बड़ी मुश्किल से होता है चमन में दीदावर पैदा। Today we have with us a brave heart superstar who has been ruling the hearts and minds of millions of people the world over. Salman Khan, honor to have you back on Bollywood Hungama.
Thank you, buddy. Thank you.
Salman's next film Veer is releasing shortly, and it really happens that Aamir Khan really likes the promo of any film and he talks about it. He himself told us that he loves the promo of Veer. What do you have to say about that?
he saw the promo and he quite liked the promo.
There's Salman's Veer. I've seen the promos, they look great.
I saw his film on his premiere. I thought it was like the most amazing film that was ever made. It's beautiful, beautiful film.
There have been quite a few controversies regarding the film in terms of some suicides happening and all. It's being alleged that people are kind of emulating.
My condolences to the parents. It's a really sad thing that boy had committed suicide. But I don't see any connection with that and with the Three Idiots, because the film revolved around only not doing that. There's a scene in the film where he gives Madhavan a picture of his parents, smiling parents. कि भैया जब ऐसा कभी दिमाग में कोई ख्याल आए तो ये दो हंसते हुए चेहरे देख लेना. When you're seeing a film, you're seeing a hero's film. The hero's not done that. Like when I promoted Tere Naam, I promote Tere Naam by saying that do not follow that character. He looks good on screen. In real life, he's a loser. And that is how I promote it. I don't want the fans to go after one Nirjala or whatever girl is there in their life and go get all messed up. If it doesn't work out. Yeah, somebody else comes in. It hurts. It's painful. But then there's a reason why it's not worked out.
Sure.
Out here, I think some people are bright. Some people are not so bright. We were not so bright. If you don't pass that year, you'll pass the next year or the next year. You're 15 years old or 17 years old or 19 years old. Who cares?
Definitely.
In the film, they said there are 16,000 suicides. So what is that? That is not कि मैं fail हो गया. जब मैं घर पे जाऊंगा तो क्या होगा मेरा? So if you see the child studying, a guy who's not studying doesn't have that fear.
Definitely.
But the guy who's studying, he has that fear कि मैं यार what are my parents going to think? How are they going to react to me? He can't face that. So I think that the parents have got to be more warmer towards the children. So ठीक है बेटा, doesn't matter. Like I remember when I'd failed, I'd come back from Scindia school and I'd joined Spanish class. So I missed about 2.5-3 months. And I failed my midterm. And I was on a holiday and the report card, I knew that I'd failed, But I hid it from my father. My father got to know. And he kept on calling up in Indore and I was like, okay, I'm not here, I'm not there, I'm not here. And all he said, okay, beta, do not worry. You still have your finals. You just study hard and everything will be fine. Do not mess your holiday up right now. The fear, okay, what is your father going to think? Is he going to beat you up? No, just enjoy your holiday. It's all good.
Definitely.
And then you've had cases in America where Superman bankar, people are jumping off, buildings and, kids are committing suicide. But they didn't stop the Superman series or the Batman series or your WWF. Kids are getting hurt on that. Kids are, but all these people come out and say, okay, bhaiya, don't try these stunts at home. They are dangerous. These are things, you can't. And the people, I'm sure, who have done this, they must have not even seen the film. My own children, my nieces, my nephews, they have seen the film 3 and 4 times. So if you've not seen the film, if you've not understood the film, and who are you going to go? Who are you going against? Tell me one thing. You're going against the awam, the youth of this whole country. It is the highest grosser. It's a comedy film. It is taking you out of your strict principle. Your heavy books and that I want to make it here, I want to make it there. There's such a beautiful message here in the film. That lagan se padho, don't ratta maro, lagan se padho, wo aa jayega. You know your job, people will come to you. That is what the basic message of the film is. So I don't know what film they've seen that they have to take a stand on this. And I don't think anything is going to happen anyway. So.
कोई न जाने अपना फ्यूचर क्या होगा, होठ घुमा सीढ़ी बजा के बोल भैया
We'll take a few of the questions from your fans on Twitter, the viewers of Bollywood Hangama, and they'll have some amazing things to say about you. This guy called Srini K, and he says Srini K. He is a big fan of yours, in fact, and he says that will action in Veer surpass Wanted? And what is the riskiest stunt that you have done in Veer?
It's a different kind of action altogether. It's more horseback, swords. It's not that much of guns, वगैरह. And this film the scale of this action would be 10 times bigger than Wanted. Plus, this action is backed with a lot of heroism and a lot of emotion. So it's not just action for the sake of action कि ज़बरदस्ती किसी को मार रहे हो आप. There's a lot of emotion. So when you see the action, you'll know the emotion behind it. And when it's backed with emotion, the action automatically looks a lot larger than life.
We'll take another one. It is by Mansoor HJ.
Mansoor
HJ. He's from London, and he says that music of Veer is very, very melodious. I was shocked to see Sajid Wajid on credit. Kudos to them. Great work. And apparently he is in the same Greenwich University campus where I think you've shot.
Yeah.
London Dreams and
Greenwich.
Would like to say the music of the film.
I think we shot one of the songs there. We shot.
Yeah.
So really, Aki, we shot that
That's
song.
a beautiful song. Can you please sing it for us?
No, I can't sing it. I'll ruin the song.
I think it's beautifully picturized.
Yeah, all the songs have been picturized really well. Because if you have to make a film on that level, with all the songs, 6 songs have to be brilliant. The songs are from the 18th century, but they used to have a very nasal tone at that point in time. People would start laughing when you hear that tone now.
Right.
So we had to change that tone, make the lyrics a lot simpler, but it should not sound like today's lyrics. The tune should not sound like today's tunes. That brief that was given to them, पहले तो ये सब buildings वगैरह होते नहीं थे, सब कुछ नहीं था, सिर्फ उस century में palaces या huts होते थे या कोठियाँ होती थी. तो just imagine कि कोई गाना गा रहा है और आप दूर बैठे हो.
Definitely.
तो वो जो एक melodious जो sound आती है ना, we try to capture that sound. And then plus we've had songs like Meherbaniya, we've got Tali. They're all a lot of aggression. So when you show the Pindaris, when the Tali song comes in, the Pindari bit, it looks like these guys, even in their singing and dancing, they're like they're barbaric and they're really rough people.
ताली मार दो हत्थी वीरा और ताली बज जाएगी.
Something about your heroine in the film, Zareen Khan and Lazarus and all. Are you tired of this comparison with Katrina Kaif with Zareen Khan?
There is no comparison. So people have this press have डालो एक क्वेश्चन मिला है तो किसने बोला कि कटरीना कैफ तो दिखता है. ठीक है, दिखती तो दिखती है, क्या कर सकते हैं, लेकिन हमें तो कभी दिखाई नहीं दिया कि she looks like Katrina. So basically I think it's a publicity thingy or stunt or whatever that is. I don't believe that they look alike at all. I think maybe just that their complexion may be the same. तो हर गोरी लड़की doesn't look like Katrina or like Zareen. ऊपर वाले को इतना तो क्रेडिट दो कि उसने हर शक्ल अलग-अलग बनाई है.
Definitely.
इतने लाखों करोड़ों लोगों की शक्ल में एक ऐसा नहीं मिलता है कि यार exactly identical. Even identical twins भी they don't look that identical.